Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to remove private browsing in Safari on iPhone. To remove the private browsing from Safari on your iPhone, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to settings on your iPhone. So once you tap on settings, it will bring up the settings page. So once it brings up the settings page, what I want you to do here, I want you to scroll down and tap on screen time. So let's look for screen time. So we have it here. So just tap on the screen time. So once you tap on the screen time, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, I want you to scroll down. I want to scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. So tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, I want you to turn on the content and privacy restrictions. Turn it on. So once you turn it on, it will bring up some things for you. Under it, you are going to see where it says App Store, Media, and Web Games. So I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that, I want you to scroll down and tap on Web Content. So let's tap on Web Content. So once you tap on Web Content, it will take you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on, you can see it is on unrestricted mode. So I want you to change it from that mode to limit adult websites. So once you change it to limit adult websites, your private browsing will be removed totally from your Safari browsing. So guys, this is how you can actually remove the private browsing in Safari permanently. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.